My name's Richard from garagedoor-spares.com. I'm here today to show you how to change the cones and the cables on a Henderson, Merlin or any other garage door which has a long main spring across the top of the door, such as a Cardale, a Wessex or a King. First thing you do is to make sure you've got all the parts necessary to complete the work, such as the cones and the cables. We always make our cones and the cables easy for the customer to identify. So the red cone always goes to the right hand side and the white cone goes to the left. Next thing you've got to do is make sure you've got all the tools necessary to complete the work, such as a 4mm long nose pin punch and the tension tools. Before you carry out any repairs, you've got to make sure the garage door is safe to work on. If both your cables are broken, there's no tension in the mainspring, so the garage door is safe to work on. But if only one cable is broken, you've got to make sure that the tension is released from the cables, i.e. taking the tension off the mainspring. And the way you do this, quite simply, take one of your tension bars, put it in one of the holes in the collar, lift it up until you see the 4mm roll pin become horizontal to the ground. Once it's in that position, take